Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
What's your name?
Diana Natasha A. Benitez.
Dian Natasha Benitez.
Yes.
Right. Did I say it right?
Yes.
Okay, Dian, what's your favorite color?
Pink.
Pink. It's not obvious nga pink ang iyong favorite color, no? Because from your head to your toes, all I see is pink. Yeah. Anyway, Dian, what are you gonna do for us today?
I'm going to sing.
You're going to sing. How old
Yes.
are you, Dian?
7.
You're 7 years old.
Yeah.
You're gonna sing, no?
Yes.
Yes. Who taught you how to sing?
Manang gaga ko ni Mama.
Si Manang and si Mama.
Oo.
Okay. Sige, show us your talent, Dian. So, it's your time to shine.
Singing and dancing, but I prefer singing.
Yes. Yes, Dian. Okay. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, it's your time to shine. Go.